Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are doing very well. So in today's video, we are going to talk about the latest onboardings updates that is from three different companies: Infosys, Mindtree and DXC Technology. So we are going to talk about the details related to the recent mails that the candidates have got from these companies. When is the next expected joining of these companies? So from DXC there is an information that the next joining is going to be on 21st of December. So we are going to discuss completely on that. And after that, Infosys has sent some mail related to some documents to the candidates, so we are going to check that mail, and afterwards we are going to check the onboarding updates from Mindtree. So before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you get regularly updated with this kinds of information. Also, we regularly upload off-campus drives as well as placement preparation related material on our channel. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel. So let's start with our today's discussion. So first of all, Infosys has sent this kind of mail: greetings from Infosys Limited. So you have to submit your documents before 5th December 2022. So the documents are mentioned over here like this: we wouldn't be able to take your candidature forward and extend an offer if we don't receive these documents before the above mentioned date. Okay, so this kind of mail the company has sent to the candidates, wherein they have mentioned some of the documents that need to be uploaded before a specific date that they have specified in the mail. So make sure that if you have got this mail, you have to upload your documents. So this mail was sent around 1st or 2nd of December, and the deadline is 5th of December. So documents need to be uploaded before 5th of December. So this kind of mail can be expected in the upcoming days too. So again, the next information is Infosys is sending also one kind of feedback form to some candidates. So make sure that if you have got that mail, submit your feedback. Okay, so that form is related to the company's performance, that how you have liked, whether you have liked the company's onboarding procedure or not. So it is related to that only. So if you have got that, please fill that feedback form also. So, and one tip is, if you are going to join Infosys, then start learning Java, as if you are from computer science, you will get Java is your training topic. And as you have to give your exam after the Infosys training, which is called as FA exam, and if you fail the training, you will be terminated from the company. So be prepared for beforehand only and learn Java beforehand only. So if you are from computer science and you are going to join Infosys. Next information is from LTI Mindtree. So LTI Mindtree onboarding will resume from January based on business demands, and company has informed the same to the candidates via the mail. Okay, so let's read the mail that the candidates have got. Thanks for your mail. Please be informed that onboarding will resume from January in batches. Based on business demands, we will ensure that candidate will be onboarded, and note that his offer will with erstwhile Mindtree will always be honored. So okay, so if you are having your Mindtree offer, it will be honored by the company and you will not get rejected, but it will take some time, and the next onboardings will start from January month only. Next, let's see the next information, which is from DXC Technology. So there is an information from DXC that DXC joining would take place on 21st of December. You have to complete your necessary joining formalities on time, failing which your onboarding could get delayed. Okay, so let's give it a read to the mail also. Complete the necessary joining formalities on time, failing which your onboarding could get delayed. Subject to the successful completion of your joining formalities and background verification process, joining date would be 21st of December 2022. We will share the final date of joining and an induction invite once the necessary process are complete. Please find below the list of actions to be taken by you, and you have to perform this all actions which is mentioned in the task. So make sure, if you have got this kind of mail, you are going to join the company on 21st of December, complete your joining formalities, and if you have any doubts related to the joining formalities of DXC, you can even ask in the comment section. So with this, we have discussed the complete details related to the three onboarding updates of today. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. Make sure to join us on different social media platforms, so that if you have any query, you can discuss with the community over there. And make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive all such regular updates. Thank you and all the best for your upcoming joinings.
If you have not followed us on Instagram yet, please follow, as we regularly post updates on our Instagram channel. You can also ask your doubts in the DM section. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to our Telegram channel, please go ahead and subscribe to it. You will get all the relevant links in the description box.